And I need to unload this and repack it up. But yeah, when vegetable are ready yet, man. Not ready at all. What time is it? Yeah, uncheck that. Then if I say, you know, let's chill out tomorrow, yeah?
I'm going to the gym.
Tomorrow.
Actually, now. Mom will be here.
Tomorrow, yeah, you should have a day off on the other.
I don't know. Next time.
Then you can't sleep in those feet, our mind is made up already. So,
Look, there's no point.
you should be on Monday. I think I'll should be on Monday off.
I'm Monday off. Going to the gym.
I'm actually going Tuesday.
Gym is
Yeah, but so much coming to she can't go to school. So
She can come to the gym with me.
Yeah, but I'll be time off from school.
Yes.
We're recovering for school Tuesday.
Can she go to school? If you don't want her to be at home by herself, she can come to the gym with me.
Let's not talk about it.
Do I want her to stay at home with the mommy or come to the gym with me?
Turn that off. Turn the light off. Right in there. Yeah, shut this door. I should get here first. I know that our mind is made up already.
I can't work in the dark.
I know our mind is made up already. I'll see that. Our mind is made up already. But whatever happens, she has to go in Tuesday. She has to go in Tuesday. She want to finish. She finish this weekend. Huh? She finish like finish. Finish this. Finish Wednesday or something. Thursday. Really and truly, she should really go tomorrow, you know? Because I think she use the weekend to get over the sickness. To get over most of it. I think she should go tomorrow. Because children sick worse than all that, and parents send them in, the parents
Well, Phil, can you not be talking about what other people do? It's what we do. What other people do has no concern or benefit to us. So can we not waste time talking about what other people do?
Yeah, I know.
Why is it so hard for you to understand that I don't care what other people are doing?
No, but
What other people are doing has no impact in my life. I don't care and I don't want to know. And he's clean.
we put them there. You know, we put them there.
No music, how dry.
Oh, you don't hear, don't you? Okay, you just don't hear just now.
Yeah, but how can you get down here and have no music?
So then you get carried away as to get.
Carried away.